Hello magician friends, this is the tutorial of the amazing interactive card trick performed by MissMan822. As you know it, this is a mathematical card trick, includes 12 cards, you can do it 12 cards or also on your own creativity. Actually you can do it of any number of cards, you can do it with 1000 cards, 100 cards, cannot. In this case, to explain I will use 12 as you did, 12 cards, mix them up. So, some things that you need to know in order to pull this thing off. The card, first, that the card you want to spell out. In that case, he did the 10 of hearts. But you can do with many other cards. Let me see. You can do with many other cards. You can do with ace of spades, two of spades, six of spades, 10 of spades, five of spades, five of clubs, four of clubs, nine of clubs, jack of clubs, king of clubs, and ace of hearts, two of hearts, six of hearts, 10 of hearts, etc. So many cards out there. So that card he picks up, it's not a random. It has to be one of them. Why? Basic characteristics. 10 of hearts has 11 letters. If you spell the word off, it has 11 letters. So use that character 11 as in this pack as a controlled number. Let me explain this to you now. You need to know a very basic principle about this. So the number of cards that in your hand, if you deal that number of cards down like this and go along, it will change nothing. Really? Let me explain. Top card fills up. Queen of clubs, let's say 1, 12 comes back, and if you check the order, nothing has changed. So now he does the same thing. He says, put down 1 to 6 any number of cards. So as for 1, put down 1 card, memorize the first card, and as far as 1 is concerned, if you now got 11 packets, in 11 cards in this packet, now if you deal down 11 cards like this, 1, 11, see, you got 7 of clubs at the top, basic thing, right? Now if you ask me, when we put down 3 cards, 4 cards, or to 6 cards, how this principle works? It's very simple. It includes like this. When we put 3 cards down here, that means he's not counting 3 cards here. He's counting 2 cards twice. You get it right. Now it says, put down any number of cards, in this case 3, it is 3, and memorize the third card then. Put it up like this. Now what it does, let's see. It says to count 11, not 11, 10 of spades, 10 of hearts, 10 of spades, 11. Go like this, 1, 2, 3, and that row card goes on the bottom. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards on top. 8 plus 3 makes 11. If we count 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, your cards will be on top. This is the basic thing. Now let me explain either way. Yes, we don't put down any card, just turn this packet over. What is this? Third card, right? We are not dealing any card down. We have 12 cards here. We are memorizing the third card, in this case, Queen of Diamonds. Now let's count 11. Let's see what happens. 1, 11. See? Now look at this. You have 3 cards over your card. That means you have to count 3 more to get to that. Now, equivalent to if you put down 3 cards before, now count 11. 3 cards before and then count 11, it will result in like this. 11. See? It works like magic. So this is the basic principle again for you. The number of cards in here You can also do it with 12 cards. So do with 12 cards, you have to say put down any number of cards and then watch the card after that number of cards. In this case, you put down 3. Watch the card 3 after means remember the card 4. In this case, it will not help by spelling 10 half. These are 11. It has 11 letters. In this case, you have to spell something that has 12 letters. Let's see. 1, 12. Boom. See, the same principle. The cards they are put down here. Previous one, when he counts 11, he counted, there were 2 more cards over this when he memorized it. So he counted that 2 more cards twice. In this case, when I did counted 12, there were 3 more cards above it, and we counted 3 more cards, three of these cards twice. Get it? This is the basic principle. That in the number of cards you lose, you have to count that number of cards twice here. Now, he is making us do that silly thing. It's very simple. This is the principle. Now let me explain it to you. You can do it with any number of cards, but in case of cards, as I say, you cannot do it more than 16 cards because you have highest number of cards that fell is 7 of diamonds, 8 of diamonds, queen of diamonds, and 3 of diamonds. All spell 15. So you can do it with 16 cards. Let's try. I have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have now 16 cards. Let's say do this the same way. Any number of cards. Let's say 4 cards down. Turn over this 8 of clubs. Face up. Count 15. 1. 15. Boom. See, it works. So this is the basic principle for you. Again, the number of cards he is putting down here, he is counting that number of cards here. In this case, he has lose 4 cards. I have 12 now. In this case, if you set this 3 cards and turning over this, ooh, 10 spades again. How random is that? Thumbs up. This is random. So let me 8 of diamonds, 6 of diamonds. So see how he counts these cards together. 1, 2, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, these cards he counted twice. The card didn't count it. This card he counted twice. That's how he will always result in 11, 12, 13, 14, any number you want. That's how this trick works. I hope you understand it. If you don't, just leave me a comment, ask your question. I will try to reveal it. As far as this is concerned, it's a mathematical trick, and many people don't like math, but really cool thing. Here is now the application. You can use it as a card force, as a card control, and as a card control in the spectator's hand. This is impressive and many things. Now you can do it with 52 cards. You can do it with 52 cards, as you know, as I explained. See 3 cards here, and turn over this card, Queen of Clubs. Now if you, how many? You have to count 51. 1, 2, 53. They were including 2 jokers. That means there are 54 cards. So 53, and the Queen is on top. That is what? Card that when I started before this, I counted twice. That's why filling up the gaps for these 2 cards missing. That's the trick. That's how it works. Hope I win the contest. So this is the explanation. And in case I told you that I need really win the contest or any deck giveaways, because the deck I'm using in this video is cost $half. Really, $half awful. $half, can you imagine? Please select this video and a comment right there. So that's it. That's the tutorial. I think you understand. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And to subscribe, I mean really please subscribe. I don't have any subscribers. please subscribe. See you next time.